What if you could create a professional talking head video without the recording, without the camera, without any editing, and without even showing your face in front of the camera? And all this you can do in the 10 minutes. So in this video, I am going to give you the AI tool. With the help of, you can clone your voice, you can clone yourself and create your videos without even showing up your face on the camera. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to show you the AI tool. With the help of, you can do all this stuff in just few minutes. And the best part, this AI tool even going to record or create the script for you as well. So this is the JoggAI, and if you want to know what it is, this is the AI video generation platform. The idea is simple. You have to clone yourself, clone your voice or the face, they give it the script, and it will give it back you the professional video without showing up your face on the camera here, without any filming, without any recording or the editing, all stuff here. So in this platform we have this so many templates available. In these templates we have these avatars available, so you can use these avatars for the UGC videos, promo videos or the longer videos. And here the best part, if we go to the avatar, here we can create our digital twin. In the photo avatar, we have to just give it a photo here, and it can just create these kind of the talking effects here. It will also clone your voice, so everything is going to match up like it is your digital twin, but you don't have to go in front of the camera here. You can also create the different kind of the avatars here with the different photos here. And if we go to the custom avatar, here you have to give it a video. It will just record your expressions, the hand movements, the way you talk, and after that, when you connect it with your cloned voice, you can create a digital avatar. And after that, you have to just give it at the script, and it is going to talk like you are talking here. I will give you a detailed walkthrough, step-by-step tutorial how this works out. So stay tuned, because this video is going to be so excited. And until now, if you find my YouTube channel just well enough to subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay updated with all these kind of the videos. I recently even launched my Chrome extension to stay updated with all the latest SaaS tools, AI tools for the lifetime deals. So just install this Chrome extension. Its name is the Deal Spotter by the SaaS Guru. You will find the link in the description, and once you have installed in your browser, no matter on page, any page you are, you will be stay updated with all the latest lifetime deals, AI tools or the softwares here. Let's back to the JoggAI platform. So right now I'm going to start the tutorial here. So once you got the link, by the way, it's lifetime deals available on the AppSumo, and here you will see that it has all the features in the lifetime deal is available. We have the multiple plans available. I suggest go with the at least tier 2 plan, because here you will get all the features access and the higher limit of the credits for the video generation here. So once you got the lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in here. So in the dashboard, I am right now on the home section, and it will ask you to enter the script here. So once you enter the script, you will start creating the videos for that. Okay, but let me tell you, before you adding your script, you need your clone or the avatar here. By default, we have the thousands, like hundreds of the templates available with the thousands of the variations and the combinations of the voices here. So this is all the templates available. You can use any of them if you want to create a promo video or the promotional video here. You can also use it for the long videos. So no matter either it's the short video or the long video, you can choose it here. But we want to create the videos with our own voice or the digital avatar here. So we have to go to the avatar section here. So first we are going to clone ourselves here. I'm going to get starting with the photo. So I will click here on the create a new look, and after it you can see AI generated look or the style customizer. So in the style customizer, you can see I have uploaded my photo by default. I want to create a new one, so I will click here again. Let me scroll down till the end. You can see I will mail. Okay, let me remove this one. I will click here on the create avatar, photo to avatar, and here I have to upload my photo. You can see I have the multiple photos available. I can add any of it. So make sure your photo have the your full view. So I will upload this one. By default, I have even generated this photo by using the AI. So once you have uploaded the photo here, you can see we have the few formats available: avatar light or the avatar X. So this is the faster generation. But in the avatar X, we have the expressions like the angry, the happiness, all this stuff here. You can see this is neutral, happy, angry, confident. So you can select which expression you want in this avatar here. So and after that, you can see I have the so many voices available. This is all the voices inbuilt and in the integrated in the jog.ai. But in the my voice, I can just clone my voice here. So I have already cloned my voice. It will just take you around the 30 seconds of your voice. If you have already recorded, you just give it here and it will clone your voice. So once you have done, just select your voice here, and after that you have to confirm, and now your avatar will be ready here. So that's how instantly you are going to clone yourself as the avatar. So right now I have showed you how you can turn your photo into the digital avatar, but now I am going to show you how you can turn your a video that you have already created or recorded into the digital avatar. So we have to go to the custom avatar, and here we have to give it a video here. So I'm going to upload a video around, it can be 30 seconds or around the 1 minute. So the longer the video, around less than 5 minutes by the way, the higher quality of the output or the train you are going to do your AI here in the JoggAI. So I have uploaded a video here. You can see this is the video I have uploaded. You can select how much the amount you want. So I have around, I think, the 1 minute video here. Then after that, choose language for the voice. So this is the English. I have removed the background noise, and if I click here on the next, you will see I have the other option available, that I can also record a video with the webcam here. So here it is going to ask you that that you are the authorized person for creating the digital avatar. So you have to record a 30 seconds video here. So that will be instantly done, and once you have done that, your digital avatar will be created here. It can take some time to creating your avatar. Okay, it can be around the 5 minutes to 10 minutes, but once your avatar is done, this is how it looks like. Let me play it for you.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with JoggAI. Just type your script to get started.
See, here I have to just simply add the script, and now it will start talking out. So I will go to the chat GPT and create a script here. So I have created this script. Okay, so I am going to copy the this line here. Suppose this is the my script and I want to add or create a video on it. So I will simply paste the link here. By default, there's also the AI script writer available inbuilt in the JoggAI that you can also use here. Then after that, it will ask you to select this one, that is the voices, and from here I am going to use my clone voice. Okay, so I will select this my clone voice, and after that simply confirm, and now I will click here on the generate. So this is the aspect ratio I want, so I will go with the this vertical here and click here on the render. It can take some time to generate the video for you, and you have to wait till then. So while this is going on, let me tell you that JoggAI is the used by the 800k people here, trusted by 800k people, and this is the #1 product on the product hunt for the week. It is used by the marketer, creator, and the business. So this is not the any new tool on the market. It is tested by the so many users, refined by the feedbacks. So the product you are getting right now is the absolute worth checking out. So you can see this video is now on the 82 or the 83% on the process. So it is building up. So while this is happening, I will go to the other tools as well. So if I go to the all tools, it will show you all the tools available in this platform. We have the avatar video I already talked about, video podcast, PPT to PDF video, talking head photo, and the avatar X video. We can also give it the our any product link, and it will turn into the product photo shoot. So if I go to the product videos photo shoot, okay, this is asking me the uploading image. No worries, I will go to the let me find out where that option available. URL to product video, that thing we should be available here. Talking hand, avatar head, video tools. I know, because there's the, yeah, you can see URL to video. So simply here you have to enter the any product URL. I will go to the Amazon. Okay, let me go to the Amazon here, and here I have to just grab the link of the any product. So right now I am just giving you demo, but here you have to paste your own product link. It can be anywhere on the URL on your Amazon or the Shopify, or even on your own website here. So I will grab instantly any product link here. Let me create a product video on this watch here. So I will grab the link. Okay, get back to JoggAI and simply paste it here, and I have to create the video, and now it will start analyzing the product. It will fetch the information, it will fetch the product, all these things. So let me close this one. Okay, let me try Amazon URL, create video. Okay, so what is this is telling me? Target website block direct access, please use the Chrome extension. Okay, so right now I think the Amazon didn't want to uh, fetch the things. So I will go to the any other product page. So let me go to the nike.com, and from there I will just grab the any shoe link here. Okay, so I am right now on the nike.com website. Is loading up. Any let me grab the any product link here. So let me see, this is the category, and okay, let me got the link of this product instantly, fetch it and paste it here, and click here on the create video. Now it will analyze this page here of the product. It will get the product images, description, everything. Okay, yeah, you can see this is the product name, this is the product images here, and now I'm going to create a video around it. From here I can just select my own avatar or any of these template avatars we have here. So I will go to the my avatar, I will select this avatar here and confirm. Now it will ask me to select the voice. I can just again select any of the public voices or from my own voice. So I will select my own voice. So this will feels me authentic. The expect ratio, how many seconds, I will go to the next, and on the next check I can use its AI to generate the script here. Okay, so it is generating the smart script. So based on the images, the details it analyzed and we fetch from the product page, it is going to generate a script for me. So right now process is going on, it takes some time, but wait, and once the script is done, you will simply hit again and your video will be generated here. Okay, so here's the script. It given me the few variants like the feature explainer, soft storytelling with the twist, immersive storytelling. I can select any of it. So I will select this one, immersive storytelling. I will hit the next, and now it will start creating the video. So while this is going on, I can just go to the back to the here. Okay, and let me see, the video generation is the 61%, adding product media, finalizing the video, and within the few seconds, I think it will took around the 10 or 20 seconds more. Yeah, the video is done, and soon I am going to give you the preview here. The video are ready, export to save on your favorites here. So we have the few video options available. Let me show you out. This is full screen. Let me play it.
Dawn light, city rooftop, breath held before the first
Okay,
sprint.
you can see
Muscles tense,
there's
humidity
also the
rising.
editing happen.
Dawn light, city, dawn light.
So there are the few variants available with the other editings and the options, like this is the UGC content, this is the floating avatar, this is the full screen. So any one that you like it, you can instantly download it. Okay, so that's how you can also turn any product URL into the video with your own avatar. And like I said, for any kind of the video, it's the short form or the long form, you have to just select your avatar, give it the script, and your video will be the done without even recording yourself, getting in front of the camera or the editing. You will get the professional video in just under 10 minutes or less than. So that's how you can use the JoggAI. It has the lot of the templates available. Even if you don't want to record yourself or create your digital avatar, you can clone your voice. That thing is definitely going to save you a lot in terms of the HeyGen or the any other platform. Here we have this products, we have the voices, we have the avatar, this is the media kit, and this is the brand kit. You have to give it all the information if you want to create the videos in with your own asset or the media. Right now its lifetime deal is available on the app Sumo. We have the multiple plans available, and like I said in or suggested while starting the video, go with at least the tier 2 plan. Right now going on is the Sumo day, so you will also get the extra discount, all the tools on the app Sumo here. That's all. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you also check out this Chrome extension to stay updated with all the latest AI tools or the SaaS tools. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.